Hi guys, it's Alos Connect here. Welcome to our product review range of videos. We just got ourselves this camera backpack. It's an all-in-one camera backpack for cameras and all the accessories that you might need for productions. We got this today, recently delivered from Take a Lot. It's only 700 rands. So yes, let's see. We're just about to open the product. Join in. Alright guys, let's see what's inside this box. Let's have a look at our all-in-one camera backpack. Well, we don't need this now. Can throw it there. Yes guys, here's our bag. It's called Mixbox. All-in-one camera backpack from Take a Lot. I just want to run you guys through to what exactly does this bag entails. Alright guys, as I said, I just want to run you through all the components of this bag. And let me just share with you the product description. It's camera, lens, tripod, laptop, all-in-one backpack with rain covers. Alright guys, here's the product. Here's the bag. It's called Mixbox, guys. You can go straight to Take a Lot. You can just follow the link and go to Take a Lot. So it's only for 700 rands, guys. The bag weighs 825 grams. So it's just a small backpack, but it can really do wonders. Let's see if all these guys can fit in this bag. I've got here my laptop. As the spec says, the laptop can fit in here. So when you go right back at the back of the backpack, you find this zip. This is for the laptop. You can fit right your laptop here in for all your editing work. Secondly, we have here the tripod slot. I just don't have my tripod next to me here, but this is a tripod slot, guys. You fit in right your tripod here. We've got here your water bottle slot. You can fit in your water bottle slot right here. Let's go straight to the main backpack. As you can see, this is how it looks on the inside. You've got this rain cover here, as they said. We'll work with it right at the end. And here you've got all the slots. What I like about this bag is that you can customize. These pouch slots here are for customization. So you can customize all these slots to fit in your cameras. I'll just run you through. The spec says 2 cameras can fit in. All right, let's see if all of these can fit here. I've got my Canon 500D with a Sigma 70x300 lens. So let's just work with it and see if it can fit here. All right, so my Sigma does fit. I've got my 750D. It's a Nikon camera. We can fit it right here. So we customize and fit all that we need right in here. Another good thing, guys, is that you've got these small sleeve belts that you use to just make sure that the camera can be safe and not fall or move. Right, guys, once more, we've got our Tokina 11x16 f2. It's a lens. We must fit it in here, so we have a space for it right here, and customize this area to fit and have our lens. Here's another lens. It's a 50mm Canon lens, very small one, so it can fit right here. Got another lens, Nikon again, 18x55. We have it slotted right here in. We can put in our charger, guys. We've got the cables here for our charger. We have them slotted right in here. This is a speed light, very important. We can have it slotted as well in here. I just want to have all my stuff that I need. Make sure that it does fit in this backpack. It's an all-in-one, by the way. And these guys, I don't support it, but you can have it as well put in here. This is a knife and the pinchers for rainy days. All right, guys. Let me see before I close the bag if I leave anything behind. But other than that, everything that is most essential is right inside this backpack. So I just want you to have a look so that you see that this backpack does indeed fit all that you need for doing your work. And as you can see, guys, we just test how does the rain cover work on the backpack. So that, all right guys, as you can see, this is our backpack, the Mixbox. You are ready to go and do your solid production. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to our channel. This is our very first product review as Alos, but we've got a whole range of products that we'll be doing reviews on. So make sure you follow us and make sure that you stay in touch. See you very soon. Thanks.